Welcome to Royal Bio World.
In this video today, we are going to talk about an social insect. Ants are probably the most familiar social insects, occurring everywhere, from the Arctic tree line to the tip of South Africa and Tasmania. They belong to the family Formicidae. They are highly organized and are known for their complex societies and division of labor. We will precisely discuss about how ants find the shortest pathway of their food sources. Ants find the shortest pathway primarily through a process called pheromone-based communication and simple rules of interaction with their environment. This behavior is often referred to as ant colony optimization and is inspired by how real ants forage for food. Here, this behavior of ant is explained with two basic experiments. This behavior of ant is described with double bridge experiment. In the first experiment, two boxes are taken. In one box, ant colony is kept, and in another box, food source. Both the boxes connected with a bridge with two branches of equal size and let the ants forage. Primarily, it is observed that half of the ants move towards one pathway, whereas other half of ants moves to second pathway. But with time, all the ants are moving in only one pathway. This type of behavior observed by ants due to the concentration of pheromone. The more concentration of pheromone in the pathway, the more ants pass through. In the second experiment, an ant colony in one box and some food in another box, and connected the two boxes with a bridge with two branches, a long one and a short one, and let the ants forage. Primarily, it is observed that half of the ants move towards one branch, whereas other half of ants moves to second larger branch. But with time, all the ants are moving only through the shorter branch. It is well known that many ant species deposit volatile chemicals, known as pheromones, as they walk from their nest to the food and from the food to the nest. And we have seen that, in both the experiment, ants prefer to choose the shortest pathway. As longer the pathway, the pheromone evaporates easily at the time of return. But in case of shorter pathway, the concentration of pheromone still persists. So, ants choose the pathway which having more concentration of pheromone. Thank you. Please do not hesitate to share your knowledge.